good? Hi everybody, this is AJ with PMI Georgia. I wanted to take some time to let everybody know a quick tip for some great preventative maintenance on your home and a great way to keep your family cool and healthy during this summer season. Right here we are at the HVAC system for this home. We are going to change the filter for this property. As you can see, the filter location is generally on the unit itself. We're gonna come over, we're gonna take off the cover for the filter. We're going to remove said filter. As you can see, this is now open. This filter is a good filter, so we are going to place it right back in. The big thing to pay attention though when you are changing your filters is to make sure that you pay close attention not only to the filter size to make sure that it's accurate and you have the right filter for your unit, but also that you're checking the direction of the airflow. So when we put this filter back in, we're gonna place it in the direction of the airflow that is suggested on the filter itself. We will simply slide this back in. Return the cover back to its space. And now our air will be filtered for any sort of dust, other bacterias, and ensuring that we're providing our family and the house with good, clean air. This simple preventative maintenance will not only help keep your air clean, but ensure that your system is running right and that you don't have any sort of breakdowns due to filter failure. Right here, I have an example of a dirty filter. Can you see all of this buildup, all of this dust? When this stops working, your family is going to be breathing in these particles that are going to be coming out of the air. This is so important, especially in times where we need to keep our air quality as high and as clean as possible. This is a simple trick, a simple tip to keep your family cool and safe during these times. If you would like to learn more tips, tricks on how to manage your property and keep it functioning, visit us at PMIGeorgia.com or call us at our office, and we'd be more than happy to teach you, show you, and help you manage your property and help your assets stay functioning at its highest potential. Thank you and have a great day.